Hello and welcome back to Home Decor, your favorite place for creative, simple, and stylish ideas to make your home shine. Today we are diving into one of the most important spaces in every home, the kitchen. Yes, the heart of the house where meals are made, love is served, and memories are created. But let's be honest, the kitchen also gets messy really quickly. Grease, stains, clutter, you name it. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you some smart kitchen cleaning hacks that will not only save your time but also make your kitchen sparkle like new. And at the end, I'll show you how an air purifier plant can be the secret ingredient to keeping your kitchen fresh and healthy. Hack number one, the lemon and baking soda magic. When it comes to natural cleaning, lemon and baking soda are superheroes. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle a little baking soda on top, and scrub your cutting boards, sinks, or even greasy stuff surfaces. This not only removes tough stains but also leaves behind a fresh citrus smell. Hack 2. Microwave cleaning trick. Does your microwave smell bad or have stubborn food stains? Just take a bowl of water, add a few slices of lemon, and heat it for 3 to 4 minutes. The steam will loosen up all the dirt, making it super easy to wipe away. Hack 3. Sparkling steel and glass. For your steel taps, handles, and glass surfaces, vinegar is your best friend. Spray a mixture of vinegar and water, wipe it with a microfiber cloth, and watch it shine. It's quick, cheap, and chemical free. Hack 4. Cleaning kitchen items. Let's not forget the smaller things that often go unnoticed, like spice jars, chopping boards, refrigerator shelves, and even the handles of cabinets. Use warm, soapy water for jars and vinegar spray for refrigerator shelves. For chopping boards, sprinkle salt and rub with half a lemon. It works like magic. Hack 5. Keeping your sink fresh. The sink is the most used part of the kitchen. Sprinkle some baking soda in the sink, add vinegar, and let the bubbles do the work. Flush it with hot water, and you'll never have a smelly sink again. Hack 6. Air purifier plant in the kitchen. Now, here is a secret tip most people don't think about: keeping an air purifier plant in the kitchen. Plants like aloe vera, snake plant, or money plant not only add beauty to your kitchen but also absorb toxins, reduce odor, and keep the air fresh while you cook. Imagine cooking your favorite meal while your kitchen stays naturally fresh and green. It's a win-win. Hack 7. Quick daily habits. To keep your kitchen looking perfect, follow these tiny daily habits. Number 1. Wipe counters after every meal. 2. Wash dishes before going to bed. 3. Empty the trash daily. 4. Keep a small basket for clutter. These small steps will save you from a huge cleaning headache later. So friends, these were my simple yet powerful kitchen cleaning hacks that will make your kitchen not only clean but also full of positive energy. Remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and when your cooking space shines, your mood while cooking also improves. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Home Decor for more amazing ideas. And let me know in the comments which hack are you going to try first. Until next time, keep your kitchen clean, green, and glowing. And one last thing, don't think of cleaning as a boring chore. Think of it as self care for your home. Bye bye.